Fall vibes are here, and today we're making the softest, most delicious pumpkin bread ever. It's fluffy, full of warm flavors, and perfect with a cup of coffee. Let's get baking. That's what you need: pumpkin puree, water, eggs, sugar, milk powder, butter, vanilla extract, yeast, flour. Add the yeast, vanilla, sugar, and milk powder to the flour. Then, place the bowl on the mixer and let it all blend together. Next, add the eggs and pumpkin puree to the mixture. Then slowly pour in the water into the bowl. Now let the mixer do its job. We'll mix everything well until the dough starts to come together and look smooth and elastic. Once the dough starts to come together, slowly add the rest of the water and keep mixing. As the dough comes together, notice how it gradually transforms, soft, stretchy, and smooth. This is when the magic of the pumpkin and warm flavors really starts to show. Once the dough is well mixed and ready, slowly add the butter, letting it incorporate fully. This will make the bread extra soft and flavorful. Once the dough has fully come together and is smooth, it's ready to move on to the next step. To check the texture of the dough, lightly flour your hands and stretch the dough a bit. This is the texture we're aiming for. Now transfer the dough to another bowl and let it rest for about an hour until it doubles in size. Meanwhile, take 4 pieces of special string. Lightly coat them with oil and place them around the bowl. We'll use them to tie around the dough later. Lightly grease your work surface with some oil. Remove the well-rested dough and place it on the surface. Now, knead it thoroughly. Kneading helps develop the gluten, giving the dough its elasticity and smooth texture, which is key for a soft, fluffy bread. shape the dough into a round ball. Place our dough in the special baking dish on top of the strings and start tying the strings around the bread. We tie the strings around the dough so that when it bakes, it takes on the shape of a pumpkin.
This simple trick gives our bread a fun, festive look. We lightly oiled the strings so they won't stick to the dough while shaping it. Once all the strings are tied, let the dough rest for another hour. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place our well-risen dough in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And now, our pumpkin bread is ready. Carefully cut the strings with scissors and gently remove them from around the bread. And there you have it, our perfect pumpkin bread, soft, fluffy. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a sweet treat. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.